Hey everyone, it's time for another Procreate 5.2 video. In this video I'm going to be giving you some tips on painting 3D objects. Now Procreate 5.2 comes with a slew of 3D object samples. So I'm going to go into my gallery, pull up one of these models. Now once you pull up a model, you can use your finger and drag around to see the different sides. But you can't paint with it yet. So right now it's on paintbrush and I'm moving my finger around, but I can't paint with my finger. I have to paint with a stylus like my Apple Pencil. So when I take the Apple Pencil onto the 3D object and start painting, I can rotate the object around and paint on all sides. I can paint on the top, I can paint on the bottom. In the case of the soda can, I can't paint on the top of the can right now. Right now I'm moving my pencil on the soda can lid, but nothing's happening. That's because I need to go into the layers and tap the lid. Now I can paint on the lid. Same thing goes for the little tab on the soda can. Now another really important tip that I discovered when I was testing out the beta, which I was fortunate enough to be able to do, is when you paint on a 3D object and you go back and erase, it actually erases the object itself. You can see like the shadows and shades are disappearing. So one way I figured out how to prevent this from happening, and it's not really preventing it from happening, but it's kind of hiding it, is before you go and start painting on an object, go to the layer that you're painting on, duplicate it, so now there's two of that base layer. And this way, when you erase, you'll have that original base layer underneath. And you're still putting a hole in that first base layer, but underneath it will be hiding that hole. And you can see in layers that I just erased the hole in my base layer. And then if I go back and paint again, I can fill in that hole and you wouldn't even know it's there. So that's a quick tip for painting and erasing on a 3D object. Stay tuned for some more Procreate 5.2 videos. To make sure you see them all, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for your comments and liking this video, and I'll see you next time.